Let's explore how to prepare magnesium phosphate by reacting phosphoric acid with a suitable magnesium compound. Magnesium phosphate is an important chemical compound with various industrial and biological applications. First, we need to select a suitable magnesium compound to react with phosphoric acid. We need to choose a magnesium compound that reacts readily with phosphoric acid to form magnesium phosphate. Common suitable options include magnesium oxide, magnesium hydroxide, or magnesium carbonate. Here are three suitable magnesium compounds: magnesium oxide, magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium carbonate. The best choices are magnesium oxide or magnesium hydroxide because they react cleanly with acids. Let's first look at using magnesium oxide for this preparation. The formula for magnesium oxide is Mg₃. We start with magnesium oxide and phosphoric acid as our reactants. Now let's write the balanced chemical equation for this reaction. 3 moles of magnesium oxide react with 2 moles of phosphoric acid to form 1 mole of magnesium phosphate and 3 moles of water. This diagram shows the reactants on the left producing magnesium phosphate and water on the right. Alternatively, we can use magnesium hydroxide as our magnesium compound. The formula for magnesium hydroxide is Mg, with OH taken twice. We start with magnesium hydroxide and phosphoric acid as our reactants. Here's the balanced chemical equation using magnesium hydroxide. 3 moles of magnesium hydroxide react with 2 moles of phosphoric acid to form 1 mole of magnesium phosphate and 6 moles of water. This reaction produces more water molecules compared to using magnesium oxide. We can also use magnesium carbonate as an alternative. The formula for magnesium carbonate is MgCO3. Here's the balanced equation using magnesium carbonate. 3 moles of magnesium carbonate react with 2 moles of phosphoric acid to form magnesium phosphate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. This reaction produces carbon dioxide gas as bubbles, which is a visible sign that the reaction is occurring. Let's compare these 3 methods to see which is most suitable. Magnesium oxide and hydroxide give cleaner products, while magnesium carbonate produces carbon dioxide gas. For laboratory preparation, magnesium oxide or magnesium hydroxide are the best choices because they produce clean products. Let's summarize our answer to the original question. The most suitable magnesium compound is magnesium oxide. Its formula is Mg₃. And here is the complete balanced chemical equation. 3 magnesium oxide plus 2 phosphoric acid yields magnesium phosphate plus 3 water. This is the final answer, showing both the formula of the compound and the balanced equation for the reaction.